Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of seeing old, unused items cluttering up your space? What if I told you that pile of so-called junk could be transformed into something absolutely stunning for your home? Today, we're diving into the world of upcycling and turning everyday trash into treasured wall art. We're going from junk to joy, and I promise you, you'll be amazed at what we can create with just a little bit of imagination. So grab your creative spirit and let's get started on our first project. First up, we're tackling those old cardboard boxes you have lying around from all your online shopping. Don't throw them away. We're going to turn this flimsy cardboard into a chic, modern, geometric wall hanging that looks like it came straight from a high-end decor store. I'll show you how to cut the cardboard into precise shapes, arrange them into a beautiful pattern, and use a simple painting technique to give it a sophisticated, textured finish. You won't believe how a little bit of paint and some strategic cuts can completely elevate something so basic. This project is super easy, budget-friendly, and perfect for beginners. The end result is a lightweight, stylish piece that adds a touch of modern elegance to any room. Next, let's talk about plastic bottles. We all have them, and they're a huge environmental problem. But today, they're our secret weapon for creating a gorgeous, cascading floral wall art piece. I'll guide you step by step through how to safely cut and shape the plastic into delicate flower petals. We'll use a little bit of heat to curl the edges, making them look incredibly realistic. Then, we'll paint them in soft, dreamy colors and string them together to create a stunning waterfall of blossoms. This piece is perfect for adding a whimsical, romantic touch to your bedroom or living room. It's a fantastic way to give those single-use plastics a beautiful, permanent new life. It's delicate, it's beautiful, and it's made from trash. For our third project, we are getting a bit rustic and using something you might find in your backyard, old tree branches and twigs. Instead of letting them rot, we're going to create a beautiful, nature-inspired wall weaving. I'll demonstrate how to build a simple loom using just for sturdy branches. Then, we'll use scraps of old yarn, fabric strips from worn-out t-shirts, and even some natural twine to weave a unique and colorful tapestry. This project is all about texture and personal expression. You can mix and match colors and materials to perfectly match your home's decor. It's a wonderfully meditative process, and the final piece will bring a warm, organic, and cozy feeling into your space. Finally, we're raiding the kitchen for our last creation, old tin cans. From canned tomatoes to beans, these metal containers have amazing potential. We're going to transform them into a set of eye-catching, metallic wall planters. I'll show you the best way to clean and prep the cans, and then we'll get creative with paint, creating cool patterns or a sleek, uniform look. After they're decorated, we'll mount them on a piece of reclaimed wood to create a vertical garden for your wall. You can fill them with small succulents, herbs, or fox plants for a pop of green that requires zero floor space. It's a functional, stylish, and incredibly resourceful way to add life and character to your kitchen or any sunny spot in your home. And there you have it. Four incredible, luxurious-looking pieces of wall art, all made from items you were probably going to throw away. We've turned cardboard, plastic bottles, twigs, and tin cans into beautiful home decor. I hope this inspires you to look at your trash a little differently and see the hidden potential within. Which project was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more creative upcycling ideas. Thanks for watching and happy creating.